Hey everyone, my name is Kevin Ventura with Code Geeks, and in this short video, I would like to show you how, with little to no cost, you can host your website on AWS for free. Because I know you've been hearing lately a lot about cloud computing and how big it's becoming and how much bigger it will become as we progress into the future and rely more and more on computers. Let's face it, there are roughly 1.1 billion websites live on the internet, and millions being added each day. So I guess it's fair to say that things like cloud computing, web hosting, application hosting will only continue to grow. By now, you're probably wondering, since it's only going to grow, which is the best way to go about this? I decided to make this short video because as a web developer who's been working with clients and several companies over the years, I have my fair share of experience as to which are some of the best way to go about certain things, such as hosting your website for very minimal cost and storing your files for prices you wouldn't even believe. And best of all, I'm going to show you how to do this all for free. Cloud computing with Amazon Web Services allows you to trade capital expense for variable expense with zero money down to get started and pay as you go. This gives you the flexibility to have your website or apps up and running while you simultaneously plan what is the best course of action to take. This is amazing because most companies, if not all besides Amazon, want money up front without thinking about your situation, where you might be getting started and need to keep expenses low while you strategize and grow. This is why I decided to create a step-by-step plan on how you could get your static website on AWS in 10 minutes or less with no cost until users start coming in and you start scaling. I'll be giving you my step-by-step plan for free, but before I reveal my plan, I would like to describe a few more benefits of why this is the best way for you to host your website or web app. One of the many benefits of using AWS to host your websites or apps is the fact that as you consume more and scale your project, AWS only becomes cheaper. Whoa, wait, did I just say AWS becomes cheaper as I consume more of the cloud? Yes, you heard correct. AWS implements what they call lower variable expense, which means as they gain more clients like you and I, they have to increase the size of their data center, which in turn lowers their cost. Because basic economics shows us that when you buy in bulk, your prices go down. And Amazon is so kind to us pass those lower expenses to you and I as clients. Here is a basic graph that can give you a better picture of how this works. Since 2006, AWS has lowered their prices 26 times due to this system. Another great benefit of AWS, and probably one of my favorites, and one of the most essential reasons why you would love AWS, is the fact that you'll instantly increase the speed and agility of your project. We used to live in a time where it took 6 to 20 weeks to deploy your project, and when you finally deployed, your website or app would be very slow due to the fact that not enough servers would be dedicated to your app or website. Let's fast forward to 2015, when in a matter of minutes you can deploy and dedicate thousands of servers to your project and increase the speed by 10 times or more. And even better yet, the fact that you can have dedicated servers around the world so your response time is flawless no matter where the user is located is just amazing. I'm going to show you how you can be up and running in less than 10 minutes. Just keep in mind, these are just a few benefits of hosting your website or web app with AWS. In order to learn more about how you can utilize AWS, I would like to give you my step-by-step plan completely free because I've been using it for some time now and I think it's a wonderful and very powerful platform. So just click on the link and you'll be directed directly to my website where you'll be able to gain free access to the course and learn how to use AWS in about 30 minutes to host your website. I just want to let you know, I am in no way affiliated with Amazon. Here at Code Geeks, our main focus is teaching real web development skills that are essential and have real world application. See you there.